Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can receive free bitcoins with the crypto.com wallet app through Crypto Earn. So stay tuned. So you log into your crypto.com wallet app, you go to accounts, there you see Crypto Earn. Bitcoin is only for Crypto Earn. So you click Crypto Earn and there you see which coins you can earn on with Crypto Earn. So up to 4% per annum, you click on Bitcoin. Here you see 3 tiers. You can either choose flexible, then you can withdraw your Bitcoin at any time, fixed, 1 month term or 3 month term. But you see with the 3 month term, up to 4% per annum. So we're gonna choose the fixed. Okay, I understand and agree, the terms. All right, so now you can see 3 tiers. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. So Tier 1, you get 4% per annum. So that's up to $3,000 of Bitcoin value that you lock up. So on those $3,000 or less, you will receive 4% rewards in Bitcoin. So then you have the Tier 2, which gives half the percent of Tier 1, with a maximum of $27,000 worth of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. So when you have filled those $30,000, if you can fill it, of course, you can choose the Tier 3. And Tier 3 will only give you 30% of Tier 2. So if you ask me, the most important one is Tier 1, of course. So we're gonna use that to our advantage. The minimum to stake Bitcoin is 0.005. That's the minimum amount to use Crypto Earn. So it might be that you see other coins than me, maybe some less coins or more coins. Depends on which country you live in. And then you just transfer the Bitcoins to your crypto.earn account, and that's it, guys. You're immediately making free Bitcoins. Thumbs up if you want to make some free Bitcoins. Of course, when I say Bitcoins, I don't mean like 10 Bitcoins, 20 Bitcoins, 2 Bitcoins. I mean parts of a Bitcoin, right? 0.0001 or something, which might be worth a lot of money in the future. Might or might not. Who knows? Only God knows. So that's how easy it is, guys. Press the like button if you enjoyed this video and if you like making free Bitcoins. If you haven't got the CRO.com application yet, you can use my referral link in the video description, which will give you some extra dollars all for free. You don't have to register with the referral link, but if you do, you get some money. If you don't, you get nothing. So make sure to subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips and how to build long-term passive income streams. And if you have any questions, guys, or comments, make sure to put them in the comment section below. I do my best to answer you all. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the Crypto Mining channel. I wish you all a great day. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.